Casual thanks. When thanks says it all. Hello, English learners. We all know how important it is to be polite, especially when we're learning a new language. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of English etiquette. We're talking about the casual way to say, thank you, and that's simply by saying, thanks. Let's explore when and how to use it. Thank you is a formal and complete way of expressing gratitude. It's universally appreciated and can be used in nearly all situations. Thanks, on the other hand, is a more relaxed and informal way of saying the same thing. While both are expressions of gratitude, thanks might be more appropriate among friends or in less formal settings. It's not just about formality. Context plays a big role. 1. Text messages. In a quick text to a friend after they share a meme or joke, thanks feels just right. 2. After small favors. If someone holds the door for you or passes the salt at a dinner table, a swift thanks can be the perfect response. 3. Among peers. If you're with friends or people of the same age group or rank, thanks often feels more natural. Remember, it's not about downplaying gratitude. It's about matching your language to the setting. To add a touch of warmth or specificity, you can combine thanks with other words. 1. Thanks a lot. This adds emphasis. It's like saying, thank you very much. 2. Thanks again. Useful when expressing gratitude for something for the second time. 3. Thanks, buddy, or thanks, friend. Makes it more personal, showing closeness to the other person. Just because thanks is casual doesn't mean it's always the right choice. In very formal settings, ceremonies, or when addressing someone of higher rank or status, like your boss, it might be safer to stick with the full, thank you. Also, always ensure your tone matches your words. A sarcastic, thanks, can convey displeasure instead of gratitude. Gratitude is a universal emotion, and in English, there are many ways to express it. Thanks offers a casual, warm touch to everyday conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, thanks for watching. Closing parenthesis.